Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit captions or hashtags after posting on Likee application. First of all, launch the Likee application open on your mobile device and also make sure that you're logged into the account where you posted the video. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and this will take you to your profile. Select the video or the post that you'd like to edit the captions or hashtag on. Once you find the video, click on the More button at the bottom right corner and then from the menu, go ahead and select Edit. You will then be taken to this Edit section for your description and hashtags. Go ahead and update your hashtags or your caption according to your preference. Make any kind of edits you'd want. And finally, after you are done, click on Confirm Edit at the bottom right corner. And that's how you can easily change, add or remove the hashtags and captions as needed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.